You said ex-husband. So how long have you all been divorced? He ought to be about 1. Do you know how much he makes? I do. Makes about $120 a year. Oh, let's take a look here. I see that he did not show up for court today. You haven't talked to him at all? I have not. Well, if there's nothing further, you're dismissed.
Miss Hennigan, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, my ex-husband, since last year, doesn't come and get our children, doesn't take care of them, and he is just in and out of their lives, and I'm tired of it.
Okay. How many children do you all have?
We have 2 children.
All right. You said ex-husband. So how long have you all been divorced?
We've been divorced for a year because he decided to step outside of our marriage and have another child.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Miss Hennigan steps into the courtroom with a storm brewing. Her ex-husband has been neglecting their children, coming in and out of their lives as if they're optional. She's tired of playing nice. 2 kids left waiting for a father who's too busy making new families. But today, she's here to make sure he can't walk away again. Stay tuned, because this court is about to expose his truths.
I wasn't expecting that.
Neither was I.
All right. So he has an outside child. How old is that child?
He ought to be about 1.
Okay. Do you know where he works?
Yes, he owns his own mechanic shop.
All right. Do you know how much he makes?
I do. He makes about $120 a year.
Okay. Does he do anything financially to support the children?
Not really. He did while we were married, but since we've been divorced, no.
Okay. And you say he doesn't pick them up or anything like that?
Every once in a blue moon.
All right.
The courtroom gasps as the bombshell drops. He fathered another child during their marriage. Ms. Hennigan reveals he makes a solid $120,000 a year, owning a mechanic shop. Yet he's vanished from their children's lives. No support, no visits. Father in name only. But this court isn't about to let him hide behind his garage forever. You won't believe how this financial neglect unfolds next.
And you say he doesn't pick them up or anything like that?
Every once in a blue moon.
All right. All right. Do you pay health insurance or does he pay health insurance?
I pay for everything.
Okay. How much is the health insurance?
About $326 a month.
And that's for the children only, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. So let's take a look here. I see that he did not show up for court today. All right. I noticed he was served to be here today, looking at the documents that are before me. You haven't talked to him at all?
I have not.
When the judge flips through the documents, the tension skyrockets. He was served to appear today, but didn't bother showing up. Miss Hennigan pays for everything from health insurance to daily needs while he remains a ghost. But his absence today is going to cost him. The judge is ready to take control of this case, and the next move will hit him hard. Don't miss what happens next.
You haven't talked to him at all?
I have not.
Okay. Did he say he wasn't coming to court today?
I have not talked to him.
Okay.
Literally in a couple of months.
Okay. Well, good thing about it is that I can continue to move forward and place him on child support today because he was served to be here and he's technically on notice. So we're going to go ahead and move forward based on the testimony that you gave. Okay. So at $120,000 a year, that's what you said he makes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
He thought avoiding court would save him, but today his silence becomes his sentence. The judge, unimpressed by his absence, decides to move forward, placing him on child support right then and there. At $120,000 a year, his financial escape is over. Miss Hennigan's testimony is all this court needs to drop a verdict that will shake him. But how much will he owe? The numbers get real in the next clip.
At $120,000 a year, that's what you said he makes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I have his gross at $10,000 a month. That would bring his net to $7,584.25. And you said you all have 2 children and he has 1 outside child. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So giving him credit for that other child, that brings his child support to about $1,706. You said health insurance is $326 for the children?
Yes.
Okay.
Asterisk. The courtroom listens as the judge breaks down the cold, hard numbers. His $10,000 monthly income turns into a net that will finally be shared. With 2 children and 1 outside child, his child support is calculated with precision. Ms. Hinian's sacrifices are about to get recognized. But there's still one final addition that will seal his financial responsibility. The total payout. You'll hear it in the next clip.
You said health insurance is $326 for the children?
Yes.
Okay. So he's going to reimburse half of that to you, so that $163 plus $1,706 brings his monthly child support amount to $1,869 per month. Is there anything further you needed?
No, thank you.
Are you okay?
Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Well, if there's nothing further, you're dismissed.
It's done. The judge sets his monthly child support at $1,869, including reimbursement for health insurance. After months of being ignored, Ms. Hennigan finally receives the justice she and her children deserve. This wasn't just about money. It was about standing up against abandonment. If you believe in fighting for family and accountability, hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more real courtroom stories that demand attention.